after I made a video about Davinci Resolve, how you can actually use Davinci Resolve, a lot of people have been asking me how they can download Davinci Resolve, because in that video I told you I'm not going to show you how to download it. I actually said some few stuffs about how to download the app, but I didn't really go through the process with you. So a lot of people have been asking me, how do I get this app, how do I use it, how do I do that, how do I do it? So I am going to take a step by step. Okay, I'm going to take a step by step as to how you can download Davinci Resolve and use it as a beginner. Okay, so before then, my name is Gertrude and this channel is the G Sisters. If you clicked on the video, thank you so much. If you're returning viewer or subscriber too, thank you so much for always coming by to view my videos. I really appreciate what you're doing for me. Okay, thank you very much. If you're new or if you're new viewer too, please help me by subscribing and liking, commenting on my videos, and I'll be happy to reply all your comments. Okay, so in this channel I talk about YouTube growth, YouTube education, how to build yourself. I talk about my lifestyle, some aspects of my life, I share experiences with you. I do a lot of things here, so if you're a fan of something like that, please don't watch this video and make it the last time of visiting my channel. Click on the subscription button and let's all grow together. Okay, so with this, let me start with the topic for today's video. Okay, so someone asked me, how can I download Davinci Resolve? Okay, so I didn't actually answer that person. I told the person I'm going to make a complete video about it, and so the person should watch this video. Okay, so shout out to you. If you're the one who messaged me, you were actually one of the main reasons why I'm making this video, so please do well to watch it. Okay, and to everybody out there, you are on my mind too. You are also the reason why I'm making this video. Okay, so Davinci Resolve is actually a very powerful editing software that if you're able to download it and use it as a beginner, it's going to go a long way to help you. One thing I like about this editing software is that, you know, if you don't have enough money to be purchasing the pro versions or the paid versions of other editing softwares, Davinci Resolve offers a wide variety of options that you can use this software without even paying anything. Actually, currently, as I'm a student, I don't have enough money. I've not paid for the studio version of this Davinci Resolve. I know it's going to be very amazing, but I don't have the money yet, so I'm taking it easy on myself, and it is helping me. I'm able to do most of the things that I want to do in this app that I might not even get in other editing softwares. Okay, I was using a different editing software and even changing, simple things like even like adding filters and all that. It's in the pro version, right? You have to pay before you can use those features, but the Davinci Resolve offers you these things freely. Okay, because the studio version is so powerful that it's only those advanced people, those advanced editors, those are the people who are going to use the studio version. But for new beginners like us, we are allowed to use the studio version, and it is very cool to use too. You are going to like it, trust me. You are going to like this editing software. If you are a new YouTuber and you are confused as to which editing software you're going to use to edit your videos, I recommend this editing software for you. By the way, the Davinci Resolve is not supporting this video. I'm just giving my preference. I just like this editing software and I'm just giving it to you. Go and download it and use it as the editing software you're using for your videos, and you're going to enjoy it, trust me. How to download this editing software? You have to, if you have Google Chrome, any search engine at all. I actually use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge if I have it, if I'm using my laptop instead. In fact, I use my laptop. It's only on laptop, so you can't get it on phone. Okay, so you go to your laptop, you use whether Google Chrome or like whatever, Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Any one of them can help you with it. I used Microsoft Edge. I will be going to my laptop as I'm talking. You'll be seeing what I'm doing on my laptop. Okay, so I use my laptop. I'll go to Microsoft Edge and then I'll type That's the URL for downloading Davinci Resolve. www.blackmagicdesign.com. So that's what you're going to type in there. You search it and you just follow what I'm doing right now. Okay, you just follow what is going on. You click on the first one, and then you don't have to choose the studio version. I told you earlier on that the studio version is the paid version. If you're not ready to pay, don't choose the studio version, just choose the free version. The latest version is 19, but for me, when I was downloading it, the latest version was 19, but I don't know right now, maybe they've increased or they've upgraded it or anything. When you go there, the latest version will be there, so just download the latest version. It takes quite a long time to download it, so you have to get a very good internet when you are downloading it. Okay, yes, you have to get a very good internet, a very good Wi-Fi or anything that will help you to download it. You get it and then you download it. Please subscribe to my channel so that I will take you through a step-by-step way in my subsequent videos as to how you can use it in a simple step. If there's any question that you want to ask me about it, if you're stuck somewhere, I know using a new software, it's very frustrating. If there's something you want to do and you don't know how to do, you can just comment on any of my videos and I'll be very happy to answer you. Okay, I make videos about funny stuffs in my life, funny things that happened in my life. Okay, there are some which are embarrassing though, there are some which are funny, there are some that I didn't want to talk about, but right now I've got over 8 and I'm happy to share with you. Okay, so if you want to laugh a bit, then be sure to click on one of the videos that pops up at the end of this video so that you watch any of my videos to get to know a lot of things about me. I'll be happy if you're able to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye.